Oh, hey classmate. Hey Miss Martin. Got a little song for y'all. So-called movie. Yeah, you it's a scary story. Miss Martin wants a mystery. It's a scary story. Miss Martin wants a mystery. You gonna get yourself.
Okay, 1 in the morning, I went to the side and then I heard somebody moaning. I got up and then I wiped my eyes and I prayed to the Lord that I will not die. So I went to the kitchen cabinet and then I went to the door and nothing happened. Now I was wondering what happened to me, but I guess once you MC, nothing is a mystery.
It's a scary story. Miss Martin wants a mystery. It's a scary story. Miss Martin wants a mystery. So it's round 2, and here we go again. I saw a scary dude, and he was standing about 10 feet from the floor. So I closed my door. I thought about it no more, but hey, it was kind of weird. So I opened the door again. Figure disappeared, and I was like, man, I thought this was a freaking mystery, but really was a dream that I had in freaking history. It's a scary story. This one was a mystery. It's a scary story. This one was a mystery. Okay, round 3, I'm home alone. I just woke up because I heard the phone. I looked at it, then I pressed up. I said hello, and then I clicked. I hung it up and it was over. Hey, Miss Martin, over.